Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Growth Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Growth Finance is an institutional grade protocol that functions as a credit infrastructure layer, connecting stablecoin liquidity with diversified on-chain and real-world credit opportunities. Credit infrastructure protocol. It deploys stablecoin capital into institutional grade credit strategies across DeFi and traditional finance. Vault-based architecture uses a system called the allocator to manage capital and the basin for providing instant liquidity on tokenized credit products. Governance focused token. The Growth token is designed to protocol governance and staking subject to future community decision. Growth Finance token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 7 billion. Growth token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.